Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can put 60-second story on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to the timeline of your account. On this timeline, swipe right on your screen and the Instagram camera will open up. As all of you know that the standard time of an Instagram story is 15 seconds, so the only way I have found is by using the Reels feature. Simply switch to the Reels section and then change the length to 60 seconds. You can do that by tapping on the length feature and changing it to your preference. After that, start adding the target media, and once you are done, share this reel onto your story and not as a reel or post on your account. So that's basically how you can put 60-second story on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.